And this is Kyle with ExpertVillage, and I'm going to be talking about some tips for Sony Acid Pro. Now, one of the big questions you might have now is, where do I get loops? Here I am. I'm not a musician. I don't know how to play all these instruments. Where do I get loops? I get them from a combination of places. There's probably 1,000 places online that you can get loops, and the thing is that you need to know is you can get them everywhere. There's Acid Planet, Looperman. A lot of the great drum beats that I found them on eBay. It was a little product called Beta Monkey, and they were real live drum samples out of some professional drummers in a really expensive studio. So instead of hiring musicians for $40 an hour or 60 or 100 to come in and to lay down tracks all day long, you can go out and for $50, you can go buy a couple of programs. You can look on Acid Planet, keep looking around, go to Google, type in acid loops and just look. There's going to be hundreds of websites. Always make sure that they have a preview of the loops. You want to make sure it's a standard and a quality that you want. You want to make sure that it's in the format that you want. WAV file is typically the best. It retains the highest resolution within the wave without it degrading. And so, feel free, go through and really look and find the absolute best stuff for you.